So practically that's going to be part 2. So let me actually go and edit that title, and let's put to the Tesla to the downside, part 1, and this will actually be part 2. Sorry about that, guys. It stopped on me. So let's go back to this particular part here. So previous video, I was telling you about how far I want to take this particular trade on the downside. If we break these levels right here, we're currently trading at 184.60. I'm looking for a flush to the downside, and I'm hoping for the early morning pressure to actually break these levels. A lot of times I know people try to catch bounces, proven bounces at certain levels of support. But what I've noticed, anytime you catch levels like bouncing levels, but you're going to open up extremely close in the marketplace early in the morning, real close to those levels. A lot of times, what I've noticed, the morning seller pressure pretty much just break through those levels. So therefore, I'm not interested in playing a bounce at all from this area, even though you got your this look like a hammer. You look like you got your hammers and stuff like this in the area. I'm looking for a flush all the way to the downside, breaking the levels of 184.35, 182.77, and 182.04. Now, if we break past these levels right here, I'm pretty much confident to take this trade all the way to around 180. I'm gonna say 180.80, 180.90. I don't want to get caught up in the 180.70. The reason why is because these green levels, all of these levels right here, the green, yellow, and the purple, these are levels that I actually track, and I feel as if buyers are in the positions of these prices, and I don't want to get caught up on a or trade coming back on me, going long while I'm going short. Those levels are 180. What is this right? Let me see. The level is going to be 180.50 to 179.75. And if I actually kind of go back a little bit, let me show you the other levels that I charted. The yellow area is going to be 177.88. As you can see in this area here, 177.88, 1 to 177.34, and also 177.10 to 176.87. And the final level will be 176.60 to 176.05. Those are the levels. Now, if we actually break through those levels, we may actually take this sucker all the way down. Now, you may have some buyers in this area right here, though. That is what I'm looking at. You may have some in here. But to be honest with you, within this trade, I'm not looking towards being extremely greedy. I just want to get some and get out. Now, we may break through those levels. We may not. But hopefully what will go in my favor is we break these weak support levels, and I'll be able to catch out around 180.70, I think. What is 180? Around 180.70, I'm sorry. Sometime before then, 180.70 or 180.80. Sometimes in those levels, I want to just pretty much be out of the trade, period. I don't want to get caught up in 180.50 or 179.75. I want to be out of the trade in these areas up in here. Let's just say 180, 180.60. I like to be out of trade by then, period. So I know I got cut off earlier. I do understand this is a whole nother the continuation, I guess you say part 2 is just a little too much sometimes, but I did not know it's gonna cut me off at all, period. So overall, what I'm looking at, I'm looking for a continuous sentiment of bearishness within the marketplace. But the bearishness is not extremely bearish, I don't think it is. But we'll be able to see how it happens on Monday morning. Then again, don't forget we have CPI that comes out on Wednesday. Um, right now, Tesla put call ratio is at a 0.8. That is a sign of being a slight bearish, but not too strong. It's above 0.7. So therefore, we most definitely got to look at that as well. And I think that's actually it. And I guess this will be part 2 from the first video. If you guys have any messages, man, or any questions, you have any ideas that can help me out on my trading, I'm most definitely open to any messages, man. Just let me know. Or if you want any information, just shoot it to me. Y'all be blessed and see you all, I guess, on Monday. And another thing, too, I will do like a follow up on this particular trade if I took it or not. And if I don't take it, I'll most definitely let you guys know, but I'm looking forward, though. Y'all be blessed.